So I'm going to show you guys our General Electric trade and how we beat earnings. So when we're looking at General Electric, I showed my members like, you know what, General Electric is pretty much lost. Let's go ahead and take the percentage. I noticed since 2016 it was just ranging. Since about 2017, General Electric has lost about 60% of its share value. So when I saw that, I was like, you know what is the bottom for GE? How do we know when the bottom is going to happen? So I look to the left and I put this horizontal line down by this low. And when I put it here on the bottom of these wicks, when price broke through a little bit, then I did some more analysis on it. I went and looked at the weekly chart. Well, I knew when price broke above that we were going to be going away to the 26th day. I went and looked at GE. When we looked at our earnings reports, the growth was actually really good. For this one, the reason why it's saying this is because they're expecting what's going to happen July 20th. So July 20th is the next earnings for GE. They're expecting terrible growth for Q2. Q1, I'm not really too worried about. I guess it's not showing up what's going on with GE. But we took this one, and it tells you actually we had good earnings. This is the one that's coming up in July. So we had good earnings on GE. So we got in GE that day. If we go ahead and go back, we look to get in GE. We sold GE there. We got in on GE when price bounced off this low, crossed above. We took the buy there. So we took the buy here on GE, and we're still sitting in GE. So what we did was we noticed the lows. Now, what do we think about GE for the future? I'm not exactly entirely sure. I'm still debating, what, should we take profits here? Do we think that GE is going to go higher? Because right now, GE is just consolidating it here. Will we have a consolidation for GE? And will we go higher and go up to this level right here? $16 per share, $70 per share? If we can cross above here and all other indicators on here for GE can go higher, I'll look for at least $20, $23 per share. But right now, I am neutral. I'm just letting this trade sit in profit. And if I close it, I'll definitely let all my members know. But if it goes down any lower than this low right here, I'm definitely going to take profit on GE.